How do you feel about your
Hold on, girl. I gotta make it. When you ask a question, though, baby girl, I'll make sure I look
sir,
nice for the
this
camera.
is TMZ.
You ain't got what is going on TV, girl?
How do you feel about your new record?
Girl, that's the best record on the hurt, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, girl.
I see that. I see that.
Yeah.
So, how do you also feel about your wife cheating? Sir. Sir. I'm sorry.
You should have cheated that man. I want the man look like my body, man. Excuse me, miss. Miss, I hear that. Miss, can I ask you a question? Miss, ask you a simple question, miss. How you feel about the record you hit, miss? The record, the new record is coming out.
I feel very excuse me.
Miss, start the miss.
Okay, you know what?
He's
If you're
going
not
on
gonna do
TV.
this properly. Listen, if you're not gonna do this properly,
Miss, start the. Miss, may I tell you something?
sir, get away.
That's what your husband a cheat by you.
Excuse me?
Your husband a cheat by you, the celebrity.
What are you talking?
Miss, you can't go in the car yet, miss.